enemy controlled area. Leave now. Your location has been compromised.
Monty?
Nice.
Heading middle. Planting toxin. Changing mag. Swapping mag.
Just one tap to John. Fuck yeah.
Remain
Oh,
in the zone.
fucking styled on.
Ooh, traps coming in. I'm finna.
Try to bring it.
Yeah,
Or like stairs, whatever. Okay.
yeah, that's why. I got you.
You have entered an enemy controlled area. Leave now.
Finca and Thatcher.
Somebody went through one of my oh, two people probably coming from blue stairs.
They're pushing me. I need help.
Coming. Where are they? You didn't say where they were.
Dude,
he's
I
in
ca-
one
I-
doorway.
Nice.
Faggot. Alright, watching blue tunnel again.
I think
Where'd
Poles
you
were
die
back
from?
on the last team.
He died from that garage. Farnetta died with.
Last one's on me.
Farnetta died. Last one's on me. You want us to come? Where you got him?
You will be detected by
Never mind
hostiles. Op 4 eliminated. Mission successful.
Dude, I really just did it to him.
Blick on,
We won't
blick
expect
on
a
window.
second
Will be
one.
detected by hostiles.
Blick on main window.
Spotted by hostiles. Fall back.
I just ran out and got back inside.
Stop
That's
the
who on me,
hostiles
main.
securing the biohazard container.
No one could.
Oh, I didn't even look out the door, so that's why I couldn't see him. Ow.
Where?
Wow,
four is securing the
dude.
biohazard
My
container.
kitchen.
Friendly, last
How do
operator
you
standing.
know where I am?
Ah!
Stop the hostiles from securing the biohazard container.
On your left.
They're gonna come
Yep.
from your left, dude. That was his head, bro.
I know.
Reload the sausage.
Shut up.
He's still Why?
What? Where did my bullets
Dude, that
go?
guy came in when I was laying down, not moving. Pre-fired me. Knew
Dude, look,
exactly
should
where
we
I
shit in
was.
these kids' mouth now?
I'm frozen. I downed one.
Fuck. There's two more coming. Three more coming. You're dead. You're fucked.
I'm gone. I can't move. That's awesome. That's fucking awesome. Alright guys, watch this drone. I'll be right back. Popped in, Epic Gamer. Ah! Ah! Epic Gamer moment 2072.
Container once the threat is
You have one
Oh!
bullet.
Yeah, I froze, guys. There's nothing I could have done there.
You could have reloaded.
Dude, I froze. Dude, that was Queller's fault.
If I'm being honest, that's Queller's fault right there. Who has an impact?
I have an impact.
Smoke.
Yeah, dude. You know, it really do be that way sometimes.
I forgot that recruits only get one in on the watching.
Alright, that's the way it gotta be.
10
Dude, you know who had a big impact? Martin Luther King on society.
5 seconds left.
John McCain.
I saw that.
Yeah, I really don't care that he died. Alright, guys. I'm running out. I'll be back in a minute.
McDonald.
Ah! Oh god, they're all out here! They're all out here!
Wait, shoot, please.
Oh god,
Oh,
C4!
God damn. Dude, an article made by Ubisoft. Like, yeah, I'm sorry.
I'm thinking sunrise with the shadow.
Not if I shoot you in the mouth first.
He's got a point. That would prevent you from doing that. Dude, I love my controller. Every time I stand still, I just start walking to the right rapidly. It's really not an epic gamer moment. Oh shit!
Game is over.
There's multiple on me.
Got one!
I'm on.
We need
I got
we need
Ash.
help. There's multiple on you, Joker.
Okay,
Got the other. Dude, I epic gamer that. Dude, I wish you guys could have seen what I just did. I literally like double bolo peeked the fool with the shotgun at the same time. Like I don't know how to explain it.
fucking
From where?
beat.
From where?
It's is off. It's a
Swing low, sweet chariot.
Find a shield on your left.
I got one down.
On your left.
Yeah!
Nice job, nice job.
Gamer moment.
Eliminated.
So I dropped down the hatch. I dropped down the and throw that thing on.
Rest of you. You can run, but you can't hide.
I'm freezing. I can't move. Good job.
That was on Twitch. Ash was in dirt tunnel.
Fuck, I fucked my hand. Shit.
She hasn't left dirt tunnel yet.
He hasn't. Then there's 3 people alive. Alright, Zoff has to be in.
Heartbeat sensor deployed.
I'm kind of pinned, dude. Dolph is in lockers.
Down to 15 seconds.
Is that EDD?
Yep.
10 seconds left.
Oh my god. Nice job.
Ash,
Four, last
Shit,
operator
guys.
standing.
good job.
4 eliminated. Mission
Wow.
successful.
I didn't do that intentionally, but that dude must be so mad because I literally.
First thing you do, you gotta take him. Enemy spotted.
We need to protect the biohazard.
Oh! Oh Jesus! Fastest flick of my life.
Dude, fucking view. Perfect on my screen. Oh my god.
Dude,